Before getting any training, I used to think I just didn't have the willpower to be good at this. Turns out, scaring, just like income, isn't about trying harder. It's about following a system that does all the work for you, quietly and steady. That's what this AI income system is all about. You don't need to grind. You don't need to be perfect. Just plug in, show up, and let the machine do the heavy lifting for you. Want to see what it looks like behind the curtain? Or do you still think you're not disciplined? Well, neither was Nellie at scaring other ghosts, but a system is what got her what she wanted. This one will get you what you want, if extra income is what you're after.